In the coastal belt of Karnataka, Tulu Nadu, a powerful ritual comes alive each year, Bootha Kola. Here, a chosen performer, guided by tradition, music, and community faith, becomes the living vessel of a guardian spirit. The makeup is sacred, the costume is symbolic, the dance is intense, and the drums set a rhythm that seems to vibrate through the earth. Many see this as pure devotion. But look closer, and you'll find the language of physics, vibration, resonance, light, and time woven into the heartbeat of this ritual. As I said, Bootha Kola is a spirit possession ritual of coastal Tulu Nadu. It uses drumming, chanting, dance, fire, and oath-taking. We'll see how science and spirituality tell the same story in different words. Modern physics says, everything vibrates. From atoms to galaxies, nothing is perfectly still. In equations, energy and vibration are connected by E is equal to hf, energy equals Planck's constant times frequency. In Bootha Kola, the performer's trembling body and rhythmic steps during high-energy spirit possession are not random. The drum sets a frequency, and the performer's body entrains to it, falling into the same rhythm that boosts energy and focus. The performer's gesture represents vibration as energy in motion, the same truth science conveys through symbols. Resonance. Why the energy peaks? Resonance is nature's amplifier. When you push a swing at just the right rhythm, it soars. When sound hits a natural frequency, even a small input makes a big response. The same idea is written as F is equal to 1 by 2 pi times square root of K by M, the resonant frequency. In Bootha Kola, the drum tempo, the chant, and the movement tune the devotee to a shared frequency. At resonance, the effort feels low, but the energy feels huge. That's why possession states often look effortless yet powerful. Resonance is equal to hitting the right note for a system. Body parts, ornaments, even the dance steps have natural frequencies. When the ritual locks into these frequencies, energy transfer is maximized. Annihilation and light, symbol and science. In particle physics, when matter meets antimatter, they annihilate and become pure light, photons. Einstein's most famous equation, E is equal to mc square, tells us mass is energy waiting to be released. Now think of human life. Negativity and positivity, weakness and strength, injustice and justice. Disbelief and belief, lie and truth, evil and godliness. These are like matter and antimatter pairs. When they meet, the clash is not just destruction, it is transformation. Darkness gives way to light. In Bootha Kola, the performer undergoes the same process. The personal ego, filled with fear or doubt, is annihilated. What emerges is divine energy in terms of justice, truth, and guidance for the community. Here, God is not a person sitting in the sky. God is the ideal spirit of all positivity and goodness. When the performer becomes possessed, it is as if negativity means antimatter vanishes, and pure light means photons of truth and hope shines through. Relativity, light, time, and the God Spirit's line. Einstein's relativity shows that space and time bend with motion and energy. Light is special, it travels at c, the cosmic speed limit, and acts like a messenger of time. The starlight we see tonight left its star years ago. We are watching the past. In the Kannada movie Kantara, which showcases the Bootha Kola ritual of Tulunadu, the god spirit says this dialogue. That means this light shows what happened in the past, and what will happen in the future. It's scientifically discovered that light shows the path between our past and future. To travel through time, we would have to move as fast as light. The famous scientist Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." This is also experienced in Bootha Kola. When the performer performs the ritual dance, the frequency within their body changes. Their resonance frequency tunes itself to the larger frequency of the universe. At that very moment, they unite with the divine power. Bootha Kola lives these truths through sound, rhythm, and surrender. Science expresses them through equations and experiments. Different languages, one universe. So the next time you witness Bootha Kola, listen beyond the sound. To the vibration that moves everything. To the resonance that unites body, mind, and cosmos. To the light that carries time itself. Our ancestors touched these truths through consciousness. Modern physics rediscovers them with equations. Two paths. One reality. Vibration. Resonance. Consciousness.